everyone, I'm Zanette Negron, and today we have a special guest, Ron Banez with Farmers Insurance. He's an agent with Farmers and here in Stockton, California. Welcome, Ron.
Hello, hello.
Hey, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Can you tell a little bit about yourself to the viewers? You're an agent with Farmers. How long have you been in the business?
I've actually been in the insurance business for about 3 years, but with Farmers itself, I'm actually working with my second year right now.
Excellent. Now you have a new location, right?
Yes, I do. It's actually at 5250 Claremont Avenue, right actually across the street from the old Godshots in Suite 109.
There you go. And I'll put his contact information down here so everyone can get a hold of him if they'd like to hear from him. You know what, Ron? We are members of the BNI, and I'm going to ask you the question of why do you love what you do?
I actually love what I do because it gives me a lot of freedom just to do what I want to do. I actually like working in the ministry, so it gives me that free time to go work in the ministry and still be able to do my job.
What makes you different from other insurance agents?
Well, the thing is that I actually sit down and take into consideration what my clients need. A lot of situations is a lot of people like to take orders from their clients not really knowing about their client. What I like to do is sit down with my clients and kind of learn more about them to really make sure that the insurance package that they have actually fits their needs.
Perfect, perfect. Do you have a little story you can share with us of a current experience that you've had with a client that was really satisfied with your services and Ron?
Well, actually, it was more of a, I don't want to say a sad story, but I had a good friend who I tried to, get him to buy life insurance because it was an actual need in his family. It was a situation where he needed $20 just to go ahead and start a policy for himself, but he felt that that was too much to cover him. What ended up happening is a week later his brother died, and they needed a car wash to go ahead and raise the funds for his funeral. So I went to that car wash and I gave him $20, and I told him a week ago we would have had something for your brother. That was really a situation where it really put into perspective what I was doing as my career, as my business, and really understand the importance of a policy like that.
Great story. I'm getting chills as we're talking about it. That's a really good point that you make, and that's where you actually excel and help your clients. Exactly. Now, what would be a good referral for you? I mean, that's something that we always ask each other. Who are you out there to help? Who can you help, and what are you looking for?
Well, what I'm looking for is just somebody that really wants to take time and understand what their insurance package is about. A lot of times when you call people, they have no idea what they're actually getting covered for, and there's a lot of times where they think they're covered, but they're really not. So we want to sit down with people that want to take time and understand what they're actually receiving from their agent. Excellent.
It's very common where folks want to have the lowest premium. However, the coverage is not sufficient to cover their needs, so that's something you look at. Thanks, Ron. This is great. Thank you for being here. I hope the viewers enjoy it. I know they will. And again, we'll put Ron's information right down here so you can contact him. Your comments are always welcome, and it's your first time visiting, please feel to subscribe and look forward to our next guest down the line. Thanks, Ron.
Thank you.
All right.